Hi, my name is Kayla Metcalf. I'm currently enrolled in your GPS class. I just want to say I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be going back to school and obviously inquiring my degree. This is my daughter, Arabella. She just turned 2 January 10th. So I don't know if you have kids, but you know how that goes. They're crazy, especially being 2. But anyways, yeah, I'm 22 years old. My birthday is October. As I said before, I am a single mom. I work 2 jobs. I'm an assistant at a roofing company. I'm also a bartender. Been there for about 6 years. Recently, this year, I was just crowned Miss Hooters Colorado. So that was really cool. I've done international calendars, things like that. But I'm just so excited to get back to school and not only beneficial for my life, but for my daughters as well. I kind of took a step back last semester and really thought about what I wanted to do, you know what I mean? And it's just crazy to me because at the end of the day, whenever my daughter gets older, I expect her to go out and get a degree. Obviously, that's what we all want for our kids, to excel and do better than what we've done in our life. But I was just kind of thinking, how can I expect my daughter to want to go out and get a degree if I don't have one as well, you know? So basically, I'm just doing this for us to ensure a better future, and kind of just invest in my future as well. So I guess you could say in this course and just all the courses in general that I take throughout my college years, I'm just really open and really just wanting to inquire into learning new things, obviously, and just using tools that I can use throughout my life, you know. So whether it may be new study habits, which I definitely need to work on. I'm definitely a last minute person, or just like the courses of math, you know what I mean? Just anything I can use to not only better myself in my career as well. So yeah, with the screen recording, I don't really not that technically savvy, but so here's the picture obviously on the front of your page. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything at all for me, please just let me know. But that really concludes my life. Thank you so much for having me. Have a great day.